शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वहि साक्षिभूतम् भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सर्ववेदान्तसिद्धान्त गोचरं तमगोचरं गोविन्दं परमानन्दं सद्गुरुं प्रणतोऽस्म्यहम्।
165.
कर्मेन्द्रियैः पञ्चभिरञ्चितोऽयम् प्राणो भवेत् प्राणमयस्तु कोशः येनात्मवानन्दमयोऽनुपूर्णः प्रवर्तते सौ सकलक्रियासु।
Atma is distinct from 5 koshas, out of which what is Annamaya kosha was described, and how Annamaya kosha cannot be Atma was demonstrated. And by concluding the Annamaya kosha, it was exhorted that one has to get rid of Dehatma Buddhi. Identification with the body is the problem of entire samsara. So therefore, so long as identity with the body is not got rid of, there is no hope of freedom from cycle of birth and death. Next comes, what is Pranamaya kosha? How and why Pranamaya kosha cannot be Atma? 165 and 166 describe Pranamaya kosha. Anvaya, we have already seen. This Pranamaya kosha is like this. Panchabhi karmendriyaihi anchitaha. This Pranamaya kosha is anchitaha, vishishtaha, characterized by, endowed with. So therefore, This pranamaya kosha is panchabhihi karmendriyahi, by 5 organs of actions: vak, pani, pada, upastha, payu, speech, hands, legs, genital, anus. So, with this, panchabhi karmendriyahi, anchitaha, vishishtaha, characterized by these 5. Ayam pranaha tu, says, pranamaya kosha. This prana, endowed with 5 vital airs: prana, apana, jnana, udana, samana. Prana corresponding to respiration, apana expiration, udana the upward thrust, jnana that is circulation, samana faculty of digestion. So therefore, so these are the, so prana endowed with 5 pranas. This main prana. See, main thing is also prana. One of the constituent also is prana. So we have to see the context and determine the meaning. Anchitaha ayam pranaha tu shows the contrast from annamaya kosha. Tu pranamaya koshaha bhave. Pranamaya, prana vikaraha. Here maya is vikara. Prana vikara. Koshaha bhave. What is in the kosha bhave becomes kosha means koshavat achadakatvat kosha. It denies us the knowledge of Atma Swarupa because pranas also are taken as I. Just as Annamaya Kosha, because of our identity with it, deprives us of the appreciation of Chaitanya Swarupa Atma. So also Pranamaya Kosha, on account of its very nature, it deprives us of our knowledge of Atma Swarupa. Therefore, like Kosha, it is something which conceals our Swarupa, and therefore it is called Pranamaya Kosha Bhave. Yena. Yena means Yena Pranamayena, by which Pranamaya Kosha. It says Anupurnaha asau annamayaha atmavan. See, this asau annamayaha, this annamaya kosha is filled up with, permeated by, full of, so totally pervaded by what? Pranamaya kosha. And because of Pranamaya Kosha pervading the Annamaya Kosha is capable of taking to its functions. You can verify. See, in a dead person, Annamaya Kosha is there or not? Can that body do anything? No. What happened? Separated from Pranamaya Kosha. Why? Even suppose gangrene is there. Gone, because prana is not functioning in that amputation. So that is there. So that means prana sambandha is not there. Physical body is what? Functionless. It is incapable of functioning. So therefore, tehena, because pranamayena, because of pranamaya kosha, says anupurnaha, filled up totally, that is nakagreya, up to the tip of the nail and the hair. That's why hair cutting is possible. Nail cutting is possible. See, if you cut the hair, no pain. If you pull a hair, ayo. one hair pulling is enough to give the pain as such. So while that end where the hair gets joined to the body, up to that prana is there. So that is again, so anakagrebhya, so up to the tip, beginning portion of the nail or the beginning portion of the hair, prana is there. As a result, physical body is capable of functioning. So therefore, anupurnaha, filled up with pranamaya kosha, annamaya. Atmavan is capable of functioning as I. It is capable of taking to various activities. Without prana sambandha, it cannot do it. And Atmavan, it gets the status of what? I. And as a result, what does that body do? Sakala kriyasu pravartate. That physical body takes to engages itself in all its activities. Means body is body taking to its functions, provided prana is what? Is in contact with this. If no body is dead, it is of no use, it is functionless. So therefore, the Atmatva, the I-ness in the body is conferred by who? Pranamaya kosha. In Taittiriya it is said, Tasmad va etasmad annara samaya anyontaraatma pranamaya. Annamaya kosha is taken as I, Atma, but there is one inner one. Inner one means subtler one, more pervasive one, more durable, more intimate, interior. So with that pranamaya, tenesha purnaha, by that pranamaya, eshaha annamaya is filled up. Otherwise it is incapable of functioning. So therefore, so this is the pranamaya kosha. Can this pranamaya kosha be Atma? The question comes. This pranamaya kosha also cannot be Atma.
Naivatmapi pranamayo vayuvikaraha. Gantha gantha vayuvadantar vahireshaha. Yasmat kinchit vapi na vedishtamanishtam. Swam vanyam va kinchana nityam paratantraha. Anvaya. Vayuvikaraha pranamayaha api atma na eva. Vayuvat eshaha antaha bahihi ganta aganta. Yasmat ishtam anishtam kinchit vapi na veti. Swam va anyam va kinchana and na veti. Nityam paratantraha. Again, vayuvikaraha pranamayaha api atma na eva. Vayuvat eshaha antaha bahihi ganta aganta. Yasmat ishtam anishtam kinchit vapi na veti. Swam va anyam va kinchana and na veti. नित्यं परतन्त्रः.
This pranamaya kosha is vayu vikaraha. Vayu vikaraha means vayoho karya is the effect, product of vayu. Product of vayu. You want to verify whether pranamaya kosha is the product of vayu. First shut the mouth and then close the mouth. Merely closing nostril will not help. Automatically mouth will be open. See that mouth doesn't open, then close the, let ears be open, eyes be open. Whatever. You can survive without food for few days, but for few minutes also you can't survive without the air. Vayu vikaraha. Vayu vikaraha. Pranamayaha api atmanaiva. Pranamayaha also is not Atma. What is that also api? Annamaya is not at all Atma. Perhaps you may think because Annamaya functions because of what? Pranamaya kosha. Perhaps Pranamaya kosha can be Atma. So no, even that is not Atma. There is alternate reading is there. Naivatmayam pranamayaha vayu vikara. In the place of api, there is ayam is. So that means vayu vikaraha ayam pranamayaha atma na eva. Now, this which is the product of which is the product of vayu, it says ayam pranamayaha atma ne. Why do you say so? Vayovar eshaha antaha bahi ganta aganta. Good day, ganta aganta. Ganta aganta. Eshaha means who? Pranamaya kosha. Vayuvat, like air. See, air, is it any time stationary? Moves from place to place. Like that, this like the bellows, of the blacksmith. This also goes in. Inhaling, inside. Exhaling, outside. Inside, outside. Whether you want or not, involuntarily it goes up. Bhagwan has kept that mechanism, not in your hand. Is it not? Can you decide? See, this is foul smell. I want it. At the most, you can hold the nostril for a while, and once you release, you have to take more deep breath as such, because to compensate, you are closing the nostril for some time, etc. Vayu vikaraha, esha, vayuvat, like the air, esha, antaha bahi, inside and outside, ganta aganta. Goes inside, comes out. Goes inside, comes out. Goes inside, comes out. Means what happens? Vikriya is there or not? Atma, avikriya, no change, no modifications. Vayuva, ganta. Ganta, aganta. Like no, there's some yatayat. Going and coming, going and coming. Rishikesh earlier there, I don't know what nowadays is there. There used to be transport company, yatayat. For going to Chardham, etc. Yatayat, yata, going, ayata, return, to and fro. Ganta. Yasma, this fine. Why not pranamaya kosha be atma? See, yasma, because of the reason. किंचित क्वापि किंचित इष्टम अनिष्टम क्वचित क्वापि न वेत्ति. What is pointed out is pranamaya kosha is inert in nature, jada in nature. What about Atma? Chaitanya Swarupa. Now, how can you say that pranamaya is inert in nature? Have you got pranamaya? Certainly. Certainly you have got prana. Is it not? Are you aware of things going around or not? Then how do you say prana is not capable of doing? We will have to find out a state where exclusively prana is there, other things are not operating, and then find out whether prana is capable of knowing or not. In the deep sleep state, see, is your body active? No. In that mass. So even if a mosquito bites, you will not know. If it is the bite is too strong, then you may wake up. So, but you will not know. So that is that. Even if that is not it. So that means body is not operating. Mind operating, mind antakarana is operating? No. Prana operating? Yes. Sure. If in sleep prana were not to operate, so today, which day now? Today? Sunday. Prana came to know, you can't say. It can't know. Suppose it comes to know, everyone takes holiday and it starts Sunday night to take holiday, not whole day, okay. Only the night, when you sleep, it thinks of taking holiday. Bhagavan has to be busy in manufacturing next body. So why? This body is gone. It is gone. So not that way. He said, in the sleep, prana exclusively functions. Body, antakarana, indriyas are not functioning. Indriyas also. Jnanendriyas are not functioning. Why? Jnanendriyas go with this what is that? Buddhi, mana buddhi. It goes with antakarana. Whereas karmendriya go with this prana. So that is not. So prana is functioning. See, your breathing goes on or not? Circulation goes on or not? Yes. Whereas the digestion, of course, more vigorously, because this fellow overate. He went for a marriage party and he compensated for 2 days. So that why big overtime is going on there, etc. Udana and apana are temporarily in abeyance because they are the cycle. The cycle is. Now, prana is functioning. Suppose a thief enters the house. Prana knows. Mosquitoes are hovering around. Ishta or anishta? Anishta, undesirable. He is the prana, his body, waving it up, all this is, no. He says, yasma, because, he says, ishtam, anishtam. Ishtam, anishtam. Desirable, undesirable. Ishtam, anishtam, he says, na kinchit, even a little, kvapi, anywhere, na veti, nowhere, even to the least extent, prana knows what is good, what is bad. What does it mean? Prana is Sachetana or Achetana? Achetana. Inert. Atma, Chaitanya Swarupa. So therefore, Pranamaya Purusha cannot be this. Who? Atma. Again, Kinchana Navetti. Kinchit. What is that Kinchit? Svam Va Anyam Va. Kinchana Navetti. Doesn't know itself, doesn't know other. So Kinchana Navetti. Again, therefore it is what? Again it is Anityam. Prana is subject to destruction. Again, Kinchana, no, not Anityam. Nityam Paratantra. Always depend, Nityam it is, not Anityam. Kinchana Nityam. It means that it doesn't know anything, including oneself or something other than that. Kinchana Naveti. Anityam Paratantraha. Anityam Paratantraha. Always dependent on other things. What is the dependence? Vayu. Food also. Food also is not there. Pranas will not afford. Without food it may linger for some more time, but finally without food what will happen? So it also will go. So therefore, Paratantra. So that means Pranamaya Kosha also cannot be Atma. Now 167 to 183 Manomaya Kosha is being described. Manomaya Kosha is being described.
ज्ञानेन्द्रियाणि च मनश्च मनोमयस्य कोशो ममाहमिति वस्तु विकल्पहेतुः समुज्ञादिभेदफलनाकलितो बलीया तत्पूर्वकोशमविपूर्य विजृम्भते यः अन्वय ज्ञानेन्द्रियाणि च मनः च मनोमयः कोशः स्यात् अहं मम इति वस्तु विकल्प हेतुः संज्ञादिभेद कलना कलितः संज्ञादिभेद कलना कलितः बलीयान् यः तत् पूर्वकोश अभिपूर्य विजृम्भते. Again, ज्ञानेन्द्रियाणि च मनः च मनोमयः कोशः स्यात् अहं मम इति वस्तुविकल्प हेतुः संज्ञादिभेदकलनाकलितः बलीयान् यः तत्पूर्वकोश अभिपूर्य विजृम्भते.
This Manomaya Kosha, Jnanendriyani cha Manaha cha Manomaya Koshaha cha. Both these. Jnanendriyani, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, touch. But how? Manashta is without the mind, sense organs, jnanendriyas will not be able to function. So that is it. Manomaya hasya, it is Manomaya Kosha. Manomaya Kosha. What does it do? अहम मम इति वस्तु विकल्प हेतु अहम मम इति वस्तु विकल्प हेतु. See, in the world there are things. Body is a thing or not? Your house is a thing or not? Carpet you are sitting is a thing or not? Trees etc. things or not? Huh? What does it do? It creates bheda. Aham. Body as what? I. Mine. House. Mine. This is mine. This is not mine. Though vastus are there, division of I and mine are made by who? Mind. It is made by the mind. So therefore say vastu vikalpa hetu. Vikalpa hetu means bheda hetu. So it creates the differences. This is this, that is that, etc. Again, no two things are one and the same. So like this, so it creates the notions of differences. Vastu vikalpa hetu. Again, it is kalitaha. Kalitaha means vishishtaha. Vishishta, characterized by what? Saunyadi bheda kalanabhi. So by this kalanabhi, by these divisions, what are those? By these notions. What are those notions or projections? Imagination. What are those? Saunya. Saunya. Nam. Bheda. Here Bheda stands for Rupa. Form. Why? Vidyate iti Bhedaha Rupam. This is microphone. This is table. This is book. This is carpet. This is fan. So like this, different names having different forms. So let us say, Saunyadi Bheda Kalana, by such projection. So that is by such branding, say Kalitaha, Vishishtaha, characterized by this. Same time, it is Baliyam. It is powerful. It is powerful. You know why? Entire prapancha is projected in terms of Nama, Rupa. Who does this handiwork? How powerful it is. Entire Jagat is projected by, not only that, bondage and liberation are what? Are the products of who? Mind only. Think of it. It binds, at the same time it liberates. So that is the case. So that is the Baliyam. Baliyam. So that is entire Jagat is projected through the Antakarana Vritti, the Mano Vrittis. Again, Bandha, Moksha are under the control of who? Manaha. Therefore it is Baliyam. Strong. Again, it regulates whom? Annamaya Kosha and Pranamaya Kosha. So also it is what? Baliyam. It is strong. So Baliyam. Tat Purva Kosham Abhipurya. Yaha. Yaha means Manomaya Kosha. Purva Kosham Abhipurya Vijrumbhate. Vijrumbhate does its function unobstructed. Literally, Vijrumbhate means ramifies, expands, so that is, unfolds, exhibits, does its work unobstructed. How? Yaha tat purva kosham anupurya. Having permeated, having filled up the earlier kosha. What is that earlier kosha? Pranamaya kosha. Pranamaya kosha is capable of functioning because of Annamaya, this Manomaya kosha. And again, Annamaya kosha is because of Pranamaya. So therefore, both Annamaya and Pranamaya are on account of Manomaya kosha. It fills up. It fills up the Annamaya kosha by succession. Directly Pranamaya and directly. Baliyan, we had seen that it is the cause of bondage and moksha. How it binds, how Manomaya kosha binds, that is now being explained.
Panchendriyai panchavirev bodrubihi Prachiyamano vishayacha dharaya Jajvalyamano bahuvasanendhanaihi Manomaya-Nir-Dahati prapancham Advaya Panchabhi Gotruhi Eva Panchendriyaihi Vishayacha dharaya Prachiyamanaha Bahuvasanendhanaihi Jajvalyamanaha Manomaya-Agnihi Prapancham Davati. Again, Panchabhihi Gotrubihi Eva Panchendriyaihi Vishayacha dharaya Prachiyamanaha Bahuvasanendhanaihi Jajvalyamanaha Manomaya-Agnihi Prapancham Davati.
The whole Manomaya kosha is binding in nature, is explained with an illustration. First, let us understand the illustration, Drishtanta. Drishtanta is that of a Vaidika Yajna, sacrifice. Vaidika Yaga. I hope you have seen at least some Homa is being done, you have seen or not. So, but Homa on a small measure, Yajna on a big measure. So, what is that? Sacrificial fire is that. First it is lit. Then Ritriks. Ritriks means the sacrificial priest. They chant the mantra, they invoke the deity, and then with the mantra they offer the oblation like ghee, Ajyadhara. In some case, mantras are going on and a ladle is heard, and one person, because see, there is a break if you put like this. In some cases, it should be continuous flow of ghee without a break. So what is done in a ladle? So one person holds the ladle in such a slant manner, other person pours the ghee, and what happens? Even if there is a break while pouring, at the other end of the ladle, it is in the sacrificial fire, it is a continuous flow without the break. Ajyadhara. Fine. And then what happens? Ajyadhara continues. The fire in the Yajna Kunda becomes what? More and more bright and brilliant and burns more vigorously. With this, Yajna is carried out. Now he says, this Manomaya is like a fire. For that fire, you have to have, what is that? Ajya Dhara. Ajadhara means there must be Ritviks to supply. So who are the Ritviks? He says, Panchabhihi eva panchendriyaihi. Says Panchabhihi bhotrubhihi eva panchendriyaihi. 5 indriyas. Which are these indriyas? Jnanendriyas. These are Jnanendriyas. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, touch. They are compared to Hotru, the sacrificial priest. Just as sacrificial priest offer the Ajya Dhara, these Hotrus, the Jnanendriyas, they continuously pour Ajya Dhara, but which Ajya? Not this ghee, Vishaya Ajya. See how apt is the illustration. Is there a single movement without, in the waking state, without the Jnanendriyas, one or other, pouring in knowledge of Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha? See, that's right. Like the Swaha, Swaha, Swaha. Only difference, these fellows don't say Swaha. Jnanendriya don't say Swaha. The other problem would have. Even when I am teaching, you will hear Swaha, 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 Swaha. So there is no such a thing at all. Panchabhi, Hotrubi, eva pancha indriyahi, 5 indriya. Vishayajya dharaya, dhara, the flow of ajya, liquid heat, but not actual liquid heat. Here it is that the vishaya, vishaya rupa ajya dharaya. By the liquid heat flow in the form of sense stimuli, that is sense knowledge, the sense object, knowledge of the sense object. So that is Vishaya is sense object. So Prachiyamanaha, this Manomaya Agni, this fire of Manomaya, Prachiyamana means always grows, always increases. Just as Ritviks pour the Ajyadhara, fire goes on increasing and increasing. So therefore, so Prachiyamanaha, the one who is always growing or increasing. So the Bahuvasanendhanaihi Jvajalyamanaha. Mere ghee is not sufficient. Kashta also is necessary. Purodasha. Something like some rotis. Not these rotis. So there are different type of rotis, etc. So they have to be done. They also have to mean again what? Fire, conflagrate, not conflagrate. It increases, becomes more and more vigorous. And what are those other fuel for that? Bahu vasanendhanaihi. By meaning samskaras of past life, this is this is that, this is desirable, that is desirable, better take this, don't take to this. So Bahuvasana Indhana means Ajyadhara is there, but Ajyadhara also needs some fuel. So some fuel is necessary. Simply that is what? Ghee by itself will not burn. It accelerates the burning of the fuel. So ghee accelerates the fuel. Bahuvasanendhanaihi Jvajalyamanaha. Jvajalyamanaha is Manomayagni. This Manomaya kosha in the form of Agni, Prapancham Dahati, burns the Prapancha. There is alternative reading is there. Prapancham Vahati. There is a better reading. Vahati means maintains, sustains, executes the prapancha. Chief Executive, CEO. CEO of prapancha is Manamaya Manabuddhi. उसका भी बॉस है उधर, चेयरमैन है ना. So like that. So Vahati Prapancham. Now think of it. Entire Prapancha is under whose command? Manomaya Kosha. Bali means, and because of that we get bound. Baliyam, how? This is how it binds. Earlier, in the case of Pranamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha is inner, was proved in the deep sleep state. When exclusive Pranamaya Kosha is functioning, what is that? No knowledge is there, means it is Jada. So now here is, how do you say that Manomaya Kosha is binding in nature? How can you prove that Manomaya Kosha binds? This is proved by Anvaya Vyatireka. In the waking and the dream, when the Manomaya functions, this is binding factor. In sleep, when Manomaya is not functioning, root cause of bondage is there, but experience-wise, bondage is not there. By Anvaya and Vyatireka, how Manomaya is binding in nature is elaborated.
नैजस्य विद्या मनसोऽतिरिक्ता मनोय विद्या भवबन्धहेतुः तस्मिन् विनष्टे सकलं विनष्टम् विजृम्भितेऽस्मिन् सकलं विजृम्भते अन्वय मनसः अतिरिक्ता अविद्या न हि अस्ति. मनः हि भवबन्धहेतुः. अविद्या तस्मिन् विनष्टे सकलं विनष्टम्. अस्मिन् विजृम्भिते सकलं विजृम्भते. अगेन, मनसः अतिरिक्ता अविद्या न हि अस्ति. मनः हि भवबन्धहेतुः. अविद्या तस्मिन् विनष्टे सकलं विनष्टम्. अस्मिन् विजृम्भिते सकलं विजृम्भते.
Actually, what is the binding factor? Avidya, ignorance of Atma Swarupa. One may say, from where have you brought Manomaya Kosha as the binding factor? No doubt, Ajnana of Atma Swarupa is the binding factor, but that bondage is executed by who? CEO Manomaya Kosha. That is how it is. मनसः अतिरिक्ता अविद्या नहीं अस्ति. Ignorance, which is binding in nature, is not there other than the Manomaya Kosha, the mind itself. Manomaya Kosha. मनः हि भवबंध हेतु अविद्या. Bhavabandha hetu is actually who? Avidya. For practical purpose, it is mind. Again, Manomaya kosha is product of avidya or not? Yes. So that means avidya at the practical level binds through Manomaya kosha. We can find. We can prove that. In sleep, avidya is there or not? Drinking. In sleep, avidya, ignorance is there or not? Yes. Do you experience bondage? No. Even if the person who has got some, because of some disease, excruciating pain, and if he is sleeping, no, pain is not experienced. This person is very hungry, but he is fast asleep. No, not. So therefore say, Bhavabandha hetu manaha hi bhavabandha hetu avidya. In the sense, at practical level, mind itself is this bhavabandha hetu avidya. In the sense, avidya operates through mind. In sleep, avidya is there, mind is not there, bondage is not experienced. In waking and in the dream, avidya of course is there, but mind is there. So that is what bondage is experienced. Tasmin vinashte sakalam vinashtam. Of course, this will be demonstrated in the next verse. That is, if mana is there, bondage is there. Mana is not there, bondage is not. It is going to be demonstrated. Tasmin vinashte, manomaya koshe vinashte, sakalam vinashtam. Everything is what? Vinashtam. Ceases to exist. Destroyed means what? Ceases to exist. Come on. No mind, no prapancha. Is it not? Mind, whether dream or waking, entire prapancha. Whose projection the prapancha? Is mind. Tasmin vinashte. So as in the case of sleep, so when mind is no, vinashte means no more functions. If it is destroyed, we can celebrate. But for celebration, you won't be there. Which you won't be there? Jiva, you won't be there. Only celebration will be there. And what is the celebration? Paramananda Swarupa Atma only will be there. Jiva to celebrate will be no. Why Jiva will not be there? Jiva says, Ayyo, why did I start attending Vivek Chudamani? Why did I start attending Vivek Chudamani classes? I thought I will remain unscathed. Nothing will happen, but avidya got destroyed, and when avidya got destroyed, I also got destroyed. Even to say so, lament so, mana will not be there. What will be there is only Atma Swarupa and Atma Swarupa only. Tasmin means manomaya koshe vinashte, when it gets destroyed. So sakalam vinashtam, entire prapancha is destroyed. Says asmin atah vijrambate, asmin vijrambite, sakalam vijrambate. When the mind functions, ramifies, projects, Sakalam, entire prapancha gets what? Projected. So therefore, whose handiwork? Prapancha, samsara, mind. Same thing is now demonstrated with the self of Pratibhi. Here, that is, in the sleep, Manomaya is not there, no samsara. By Vyatireka, it is proved.
स्वप्नेऽथ शून्ये सृजति स्वशक्त्या भोक्त्रादिविश्वं मन एव सर्वम् तथैव जाग्रत्यपि नो विशेषः तत्सर्वमेतन्मनसो विजृम्भणम् अन्वय अर्थशून्ये स्वप्ने मनः एव स्वशक्त्या भोक्त्रादि सर्वं विश्वं सृजति तथा एव जागृति अपि विशेषः न उ ततः एतत् सर्वं मनसः विजृम्भणम्। आगे अर्थशून्ये स्वप्ने मनः एव स्वशक्त्या भोक्त्रादि सर्वं विश्वं सृजति तथा एव जागृति अपि विशेषः न उ ततः एतत् सर्वं मनसः विजृम्भणम्।
In this 169 stanza, by Anvaya Vyatireka, mind is there, prapancha is there. Mind is not there, Vyatireka, mind is not there, prapancha is there. Now, I saw the next stanza and told you, in sleep, because of Vyatireka, prapancha is not there. But before that, first, mind is there, prapancha is there, that is elaborated, means Anvaya. Vyatireka, in sleep, mind is not there, prapancha is not there, will come in the next stanza. So therefore, that in the when the mind is there, the prapancha is there, both in the waking state and in the dream state. In the waking and the dream, mind is there, prapancha is there, will be disturbance.
प्रजाभ्य परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं मनीषा वो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात्